What's up? What's going on? Back here. Another day detailing. Back here at Mobility Works. Got this here. Chrysler. What is it? Town and Voyager. We gonna get to it. They got some nice artwork over here and everything. Wheels look like that. I think they're new tires. So that's why they looked all touched up like that. But interior definitely. Did I say that word right? I'm not even gonna repeat it. The interior does. Needs some work, but nothing too crazy. Clean out real good. These lift seat. One lift. You know what? We don't need to get that done, but everything going on in the nooks and crannies and all that stuff. But well, like I said, it's just been a while. Pollen, dust, and more artwork. Whatever they had going on, and over prints, handprints, and stuff like that. Be there. Yeah, so that's the first gander. See what this look like up under the hood. Well, it's just like that. So, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it inside the detail bay, get all my stuff set up, get the steamer started and everything, and then when I get that done, we'll get to work. Yeah, yeah, yeah. She is all done. Interior looking right. Get that opened up. Check all that about the hood. It's already popped. Good to go. Wheels looking like wheels now. It's, wasn't bad up under here, so ain't much to see but a clean engine bay. Got a lot of that mud and stuff off this floor. Good, good, good. I'll let that up in here. Seat back. And that's put this back. Of course, back seat area is take care of. And there we go. Drop some glasses. Boom. So, it's not gonna be the end of my day, but that's gonna be the end of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and probably knock out another 2 or 3 cars while I'm here. And I will catch y'all on the next go round. Peace.